In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make a simple and dynamic tracker format for stock in, out, and balance in Google Sheets. As you can see in the screen, this format will auto-calculate the balance stock quantities based on the stock in and out transactions you enter. Let's get started. First, create the format or design of the tracker. Put the title and make 3 different tables for stock in or purchase, stock out or sales, and stock balance. In Stock In section, select the column headers and one row below it. Click on Format tab, then Convert to Table. Change the table name to Stock In. Change the column type of Date column to Date. Now, when you double-click on the cell, Date Picker Calendar will activate. Same way, create Stock Out table and Stock Balance table. Decrease column widths to make the whole format visible in the screen. Select A1 to M1 range, then merge and center. Insert one row above the table to make the format more clean. In Product Name column of Stock Balance, add the stock items that you want to track. For example, let me put some fruits name here. Make Product Selection drop-down in Product Name column of Stock In and Stock Out table. Click on first cell of Product Name column, click on Data tab, then Data Validation. Add Rule. Select drop-down from Range. In this box, put the Product Name column of Stock Balance table. The Product Selection drop-down has been created. Following same method, create Product Selection drop-down in Stock Out table. When new product is added, add it in the Stock Balance section, which will auto-update in the drop-down lists. Select the row and drag down the fill handle to expand the Stock In and Out table. Before automating calculation of total purchase, sales, and balance in Stock Balance table, first, let me add some transactions of stock in and out. In the opening stock, put the quantities that you have at the beginning of period. If you are making this tracker for July 2025, put the stock in hand on 1st of July. Use SUMIF function to calculate total stock in. In Range parameter, select the Product Name column of Stock In table. In Criterion, select the Product Name column of Stock Balance table. In Sum range, select the Quantity column of Stock In table. Close the formula and press Enter. Click on tick mark to fill the formula down. For Total Out, use the SUMIF function again. In Range, select the Product Name column of Stock Out table. In Criterion, select the Product Name column of Stock Balance table. In Sum range, select the Quantity column of Stock Out table. Next, for the total balance, use formula of opening stock plus total in minus total out. If I add new transaction in purchase or sales, stock balance will auto-calculate. If you scroll the format down, the heading becomes invisible. To lock the heading, click on row number 4, click on View tab, Freeze, then freeze up to row number 4. Now, when scrolled down, heading remains fixed. You can expand the tables whenever required by simply select the last row and fill down. So that was about how to make a simple and dynamic format in Google Sheets to track the stock in out and balance. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. Also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching.